welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be getting rid of my coin. This coin should be going to my Discover card. So where all of this coin came from is basically the coins that I get back from my everyday cash spending wallet. I have cash, so instead of giving the exact amount of change, even though if I might have it in my coin purse, I always just do whole dollars, so that way I can actually get change back to save. Now when I say my cash wallet everyday spending, it's basically coming from my cash envelopes that I have. So if something costs $5.25, I don't do $5 and reach in here and give them 25 cents out of here. I do an even $6, so I get 75 cents back, and then I put the coin in my zipper pouch there. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I do have some coin here, and we are going to, well, you guys are going to roll coin with me. And this is for my pennies, so I'm gonna put the top back on it. I don't know, I did have letters on this, but I didn't like the letters, so I just kept it like this to kind of keep it clean. My pennies are in my Hello Kitty bank. I can't get myself to take my pennies out of there. So I'm just taking the tops off of all of these so I can basically just go ahead and put all of this coin in here. And I probably should not even be putting this in this bank because we're going to have to take it out. And I am not sure how to take the bottom out because I've never taken the bottom out. I took the tape off of it and I was like, uh-oh. So I'll have to figure out how to take the bottom out because I know a lot of the banks are different taking those out. So that's how that is. And y'all, it is supposed to be up to 60 degrees this week. So I am like super excited. And a lot of people ask me what I do with my coin that I have left over, and this is exactly what I do. I know a lot of you also say, girl, you can take that to Coinstar. I don't mind rolling coin. It's not that bad to me. So yeah, it's not that bad. But if you don't want to roll your own coin, you can take it to Coinstar. I think they take like a percentage off of it, and I really don't need to put tops on these. I'm going to set these over here. Oh, y'all, I can't keep it in my hands. Or you can get like one of those like coin trays, and you can get them off Amazon, and you can actually do that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start rolling this coin. So y'all roll it with me and see how much I have left at the end. So I am kind of like excited to see how much I have, and I think this is maybe like 6 or 7 months, so I'm not sure. right, so we have finished our quotas, and our quotas are 10, 20, 30, 40. So we got 42.50 in quotas. So let's go ahead and slide this over, and let's go ahead and move over to our dimes. And I'm speeding this up a little bit because I know you guys don't want to just watch me just sit here and just roll it. So that's why I'm speeding it up, and I'll just show you guys exactly what I have between. All right, so let's go ahead and hop into these dimes here. For dimes, I have $10, $12. All right, so we're moving on. So next we are going to do, I'm just gonna put this here. All right, next we are going to do nickels. So let's go ahead and see how many nickels we have. Oh, and I have a dime here. Oh gosh, y'all, look. I have 2 dimes in here, 3 dimes. What is happening? All right, so we got 230 actually. So I am just going to do this and then do that. So we got 230. All right, so let's go ahead and roll with this. All right, y'all, so we got 115, and it's kind of hard to do with these. I think the last time I did my coin rolling, I didn't have nails on my nails. Well, not nails on my nails, I didn't have my nails done. All right, so we got 115. So now we need to do we got 315. Now we need to do our pennies. So I need to figure out how the bottom of this, it's a little filthy, this little Hello Kitty bank works. Oops, look like some of them. Okay, here we go. I think you just have to, oh, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it with my nails. Let me see if I have some pliers. Okay, let's do it. Oh, y'all, it's always good to have some nifty little pliers. All right, so let's go ahead and, yeah, that's why I said I like my little Hello Kitty jar. I mean, my bank. another tidbit. Oh, run away, pennies. Come on. That's the only thing about banks. It's like when it's time to get the coin out, it's kind of hard sometimes. Is it? All right, I got one more. Y'all hear it? All right. I'm going to put that back on there. All right, and the Hello Kitty. And someone messaged me, and they saw this. Oh, I could not find it on my Amazon storefront. So they messaged me where they saw it on there. So I did link this little bank in my Amazon storefront. So thank you for doing that, because I looked and I looked and I could not find it. Let's go ahead. Let's do these pennies. got 22, and this one actually split. So I'm like, what in the world? So we got 22 cent. Red Dad can't write on this. All right, so we got 22 cent in here. Yeah, that one. That's the first time I've ever had one split like that. That sounds good. All right, so let's go ahead and calculate this up. I don't have my other calculator with me, so I'm just gonna pull my little Hello Kitty calculator out. Y'all, yeah, I still have her, so she's still kicking it. All right, well, that's cool. All right, so what we're taking to the bank from me saving coins from my cash envelopes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add all this up. So we got $2.50, and then we have $2.30, and then we have $1.15. All right, and then we have that 22. All right, so then we have 10, 20, 30, 40. All right, so we got $40. We got $10. We got $2. And then we got $1.50. Okay, so all the coin that I had left over because I did not spend it when I needed to have exact change. So I'm actually going to take this to the bank today. And I'm going to deposit it so that I can go ahead and pay. I'm just going to actually pay 60 bucks extra on my Discover card instead of doing the $59.67, but I just put that in there so I'll know what I have. All right, chunk is chunky. Okay, all right, so this right here is all of my coin that I have. Thank you guys so much for rolling coin with me. So I hope that when you have extra cash and extra coin, you do the same thing. So if you do not follow me on my Instagram or my TikTok, please make sure you follow me. It's called APinkeClothlife. And then also make sure you hit the subscribe button and then share, like, comment. Let me know what you do with your coins. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys. Oh, I got my nails done. All right, until next time, guys. Peace.